Stop talking. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Special Nicole and I'm here providing you with another Microloc video. So back in the day, really like 2 weeks ago, I did a tutorial talking about how I do my perm rod set, and you saw me using the styling foam, and I talked about how my results were so great.
Out the cap.
Now we're gonna talk about something new today. A new product that you should check out when you want to try to get you a little holiday hair, because 'tis the season to be cute and I want you to be prepared. So I achieved this new perm rod set using some products from, I don't even know how to say their name, y'all, but Qhemet Biologics. That we gonna go with that. That's what we're gonna call them today. So I used these products before when I was loose natural, and I loved them then, and I decided, well, I was asked, because I'm gonna be honest, I was asked to try them out on my Microlocs, and I was like, sure, okay, I'll try them out, whatever. It's just a perm rod set. But then, honey, this is not just a perm rod set. I was cute. The curls have failed now because I've been hot. Today's Thanksgiving. I cooked the whole meal. But yesterday, I was real cute, and they was popping. I'll add some clips in there so y'all can see the results and of me doing and using the products. But I just want to talk to y'all real quick about the products that I used, why I liked it better than the styling foam that I used the last time, and if I will continue to use this on my Microloc. So for this look, I started off using their shampoo. I used the Egyptian whitegrass cleansing tea with wheatgrass and barley. It says it is a sulfate-free shampoo for all hair types. I have, like I said, used their products before as a loose natural, and I like them. I know y'all like ingredients. I'm not about to read that though. It sounds natural, and my hair felt real cleansed afterwards. I'm trying to think if I think I will use this as a regular shampoo for wash days. I don't know, I think it was light, and I know I wouldn't have any buildup because it's literally, I'm pretty sure, I don't know why I took the cap off, like I can show y'all. The bottle's brown, but the shampoo is actually clear, which is something really good to use for your locks, because you know you won't really have any kind of creamy white residue or potential buildup. It's clear, it's light. I feel like it's lighter than the Design Essential shampoo I told y'all about, but it still had the same cleansing power, because I felt like it still had the same amount of lather and it rinsed out really well, and I don't feel like my hair was stripped afterwards. So I do like that. I do recommend their shampoo. All right, the second product, which is my all-time fave, something I also have used as a loose natural, is this, I don't know how to say this neither, Apiopica. That was a lot. Y'all heard it, y'all read it, it's there. Hydrate and twist butter. It says it softens and maintains locks, twists, braids, and loose hair. So as a loose natural, I use this a lot for my twist outs, and it had like premium hold. Like my twist outs will always be popping every time I use this, and I was not a good twist outer. I know that's not a word, but I could not get the twist outs right for nothing until I started using this product. It's literally basically like a shea butter, and the consistency is hard. A little goes a long way with this because it's thick, and I made a mistake of using too much like the first time I used it, and my hair was really weighed down with all of the oil. It is made with olive oil and mango butter, but I really like that. So I use this. Like I said, I'll attach clips of me applying this to my head. I didn't use that much, probably just, like you said, this, I don't know if you can see, that's barely anything. But I use this, and I just did my perm rods the same way that y'all saw me do it with the styling foam the last time, and then let it set overnight. My hair was damp, and then the next morning I followed up with this serum on my scalp. It's the coconut green tea softening serum. It says it softens dry hair. I have used this before on my loose natural hair. So again, this video is for loose naturals, lock curious, loose natural curious, whatever you are, you can use this stuff. 4C people, it's definitely for y'all because I'm 4C dry, baby. Not anymore. My life has changed and I have been renewed. But loose natural special was 4C and dry, and this stuff kept my hair moisturized for days. So I highly recommend it. And this is not just because they sent it to me. I'm literally telling y'all, like, I like this stuff. But I just applied this to my scalp when I took out the perm rods. And I think they also sent me this. They have some very interesting names. They also sent me this serum, and it says it's for coarse hair, also to soften it. It's a softening serum. Both of them can be used as hot oil treatments, and I'm thinking about giving myself a hot oil treatment because I have been noticing that my scalp, I'm feeling fine now since I washed my hair yesterday, but my scalp has been a little more itchy and dry than usual. So if y'all want to see me do a hot oil treatment using these serums, one of the two, just comment that down below and I'll get that video out for y'all. Alright, and this is a bonus product. I did not use this at all yesterday or when I did this perm rod set. I use this as a loose natural and I absolutely loved it. Also, it is a pomade, castor and almond nourishing pomade, and it's basically, it gives you good hold. So I will use this, a little bit of this and a little bit of the twist butter for my twist outs. If I have some pictures, I'm sure I do, of my hair after using these products, I will also put those somewhere on the screen so you can see them. But it gave me good hold, good moisture, and I was just popping and I was cute, and that's all that was. But this, as you can see, is like basically like a Vaseline, like a grease, a jelly grease. I don't know how to describe it. It's thick, and also a little of it goes a long way. So if you're interested in trying any of the, who are they? Qhemet, I don't know, Biologics, I don't know. Y'all read it. If you're interested in, focus on me, boo. There you go. If you're interested in trying any of their products, I recommend them, especially if you have 4C hair. I can't speak for anyone who has finer or 3C hair. I can't speak for how their products work for you, but if you have 4C hair and you're looking for some moisture, I highly recommend these products. So the reasons why I like this perm rod set over the perm rod set with the foam. I like this one because my hair was not hard afterwards and it still felt like my hair. Like it doesn't feel like I have any products in my hair, like I didn't use anything. And it could be because it's basically just using butters and things that are already designed to be used on locks versus the styling foam, which is not really designed to be used on locks. So I felt like my hair just felt like normal. It felt like itself, and it was soft. It had some sheen, and I don't know, the curls just, they look like they popped more, and I like this a whole lot better than using the styling foam. So I probably won't use the styling foam again, and I probably, if I want to do a perm rod set and have a little extra hold, then I will be using the twist butter. Yeah, so if you want to try out some perm rod sets, or you could probably use do any kind of style with these products for the holiday season. I know today is Thanksgiving, so it's a little late for the Thanksgiving day, but all these Christmas safe, COVID safe parties about to pop off, and I know you want to be cute, so you need some products. Get you a little shampoo, a little butter, a little serum, and get you some rods and walk out on that party looking cute. I will attach also some clips of different styles that I did demonstrate using, well, with this perm rod set. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for y'all today. Comment down below if you want to see that hot oil treatment, or if you want to see some hairstyle tutorials, especially for medium length Microlocs. I plan on getting out a bunch of different holiday styles And if y'all want detailed tutorials on those, just go ahead and let me know in the comment box below. I won't ask you to come tell them.
I'm live. People.
It's not live because I can cut you out. And you're frozen. That's all I got for y'all. If you haven't checked out our vlog, go ahead and do that now. And be on the lookout for more episodes of Love and Scribe dropping soon. Don't want you to miss it. Don't want you to miss it. It's been a long day, y'all. I've been cooking, sweating, hot. I had the itis, I done ate. So yeah, I will talk to y'all soon.